This dictation material has been obtained from official para 31. A person who is eligible and who is not more than 65 years of age on the last date fixed for submission of applications in the advertisement for the post of the Vice Chancellor may apply for the post full stop. The Chancellor shall determine by notification in the official gazette the qualifications, experience and other relevant requirements for the post of the Vice Chancellor full stop. The Chancellor shall constitute a search committee consisting of not less than 3 and not more than 5 members for making recommendations for appointment of the Vice Chancellor full stop. The search committee shall follow such procedure and criteria for selection of the panel for the post of the Vice Chancellor as the Chancellor by notification determine full stop. The search committee shall recommend to the Chancellor a panel of 3 persons who in its opinion are suitable for appointment as the Vice Chancellor full stop. The Chancellor shall appoint the Vice Chancellor for each term of 4 years, but he shall serve during the pleasure of the Chancellor full stop. The Chancellor shall determine the terms and conditions of service of the Vice Chancellor full stop. The incumbent Vice Chancellor shall not be allowed any extension in his tenure, but subject to eligibility he may again compete for the post of the Vice Chancellor in accordance with the procedure prescribed by or under this section full stop. If the office of the Vice Chancellor is vacant or the Vice Chancellor is absent or is unable to perform the functions of the Vice Chancellor owing to any cause, the Pro-Vice Chancellor shall perform the functions of the Vice Chancellor, but if at any time the office of Pro-Vice Chancellor is also vacant or the Pro-Vice Chancellor is absent or is unable to perform the functions of the Vice Chancellor owing to any cause, the Chancellor shall make such temporary arrangements for the performance of the official duties of the Vice Chancellor full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Short and Computer College, Shodra.